Like we are using every
Yes,
time but,
yes.
but we can use instead of but, though, although, but we don't use. If you like my videos, please do consider to like, subscribe and share, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications of my videos. Thank you. Hi,
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. What about you?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay, great, great. Okay, so before we are moving ahead, just let's have a quick introduction. Okay, so please tell me about
Yeah,
yourself.
okay, sure. Yeah, myself Vinod Kumar. I'm
Yeah,
from Hyderabad.
all right.
Yeah, yeah, I have completed my graduation, specialized in the field of electronics and communication engineering.
Sorry, I
With
didn't get.
overall, yeah, I have done my graduation, specialized in the field of electronics and communication engineering,
Okay,
ECE.
okay. Yeah, yeah, I got
Yeah,
it.
yeah, with overall aggregate of 70%.
Oh my God.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Along with my degree, I have completed CCNA certification.
And what is that?
Yeah, CCNA certification. It's related to networking.
Networking. Oh,
Yeah, I'm searching for job in that field.
okay, okay. Great, great.
Yeah, my hobbies are reading books, listening to music, and traveling new places and exploring new places.
Okay. So you have wonderful hobbies, I think.
Yes, ma'am. Traveling
And
is the main hobby. Like I
oh,
travel to two places in a month.
two places in a month?
Yes, ma'am. Like I will go different states. Like
Oh, so please share your experiences about visiting different places.
yeah, actually, yeah, there is one application called Meetup in Hyderabad. I will use that application Meetup. Like the main theme of the application is there is one organizer.
Okay,
Like he will give a schedule like 2 days, like Saturday Sunday trip. It will 2 days trip.
okay, okay.
Yeah, we need to pay some money to the organizer, and he will take care of it, like accommodation, travel, food. He will take care of that.
Okay,
Yeah.
so yeah, do you have some sort of activities over there as
Yes,
well,
yes. Like
like
yeah,
hiking?
we have. Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Yeah,
Okay.
like based on your trip, ma'am. Like if you go for leisure trip, there is no trekking and hiking.
Okay.
But if you choose trekking, there is only trekking. Like you need to travel hills and you need to travel in forest for 2 days. You need to
Okay.
stay there. Yeah,
Okay.
like the main advantage of trip is like we will meet all these strangers. Like no one knows any information about person to person. We need to communicate with the strangers like 2 days.
Oh, that's amazing. That's amazing.
Like
So,
yes,
yeah.
yes, ma'am. Like we can make a lot of friends in 2 days.
Nice, nice. Yeah, I have known about these trips. I mean, if someone wants to go for hiking
Yes,
or trekking, so
trekking.
there are some certain organizations and they provide this sort of facilities. Yeah,
Yes, yes, ma'am.
yeah, I mean, I also have some sort of thought to go Himalayas or Uttarakhand, so that I can have some experience of hiking. Okay,
Okay,
yeah, but I am waiting still. Due to
okay.
Corona,
Like
we cannot go
you
anywhere.
can you can also go, ma'am. Like you need to download one application, Meetup.
Okay, meetup.
Like you need, yes, ma'am. Like you need to subscribe for the groups. Like there are several groups in that Meetup.
Okay,
Like you can see all the tips available in the groups.
okay. So you are doing these sort of activities surrounding Hyderabad, or do you
No, no.
go to different states as well?
Yeah, there are two types of trips. Like one local trip is for one day, only Sunday, and
Okay.
other than states, you need to go Friday night and you will come Monday morning. It's three
Oh,
night trip and 2 day trip.
all right. Great, great.
Like you will have a lot of fun in journey. Like you will play like you will play so many activities. You
Yeah,
will play like playing cards, like gum
yeah,
charades,
yeah,
singing,
yeah.
dancing, like a
Oh,
lot of fun in that trip.
okay,
Yes.
okay. So,
Mm.
yeah, I mean,
Definitely you'll get like three or four friends in that trip.
I can say that you are an interactive person.
No, no, no. I'm an introvert person.
Introvert? But
Recent,
how?
yes, ma'am. Recently, I have started that all these kind of trips
Yeah, I think.
because I want to become an extrovert. I want to become an extrovert. I
Yeah,
need to
yeah,
communicate with people. I need
yes,
to learn some skills.
yes, yes, definitely. Everybody should
Yeah.
learn these things, because the way
Yes, yes,
you
ma'am.
talk with people, the way you present yourself, the way you express your thought, these are the things very important in life to grow in your life,
Yes,
right?
yes,
So
yes, ma'am.
yeah,
Yes.
so you are doing great job. Yeah, and
I have seen all your videos from like first day from first class. I'm seeing all your videos. You learned a lot and lot and lot.
oh, so how you found my videos and how it is beneficial for you? Let me,
Like
yeah.
I have also yeah, I have subscribed for Clapping Go. Like I
Okay.
have seen all your videos.
Yeah. So you
Yeah,
joined Clappingo as well?
yeah. Recently I have joined.
Okay. So how it is going?
Yeah, it's nice. It's really nice, man.
Do you
Ma'am,
want to?
can you give any tips like how you prepared?
I think you are doing great. And what should I say? I mean, there are lots of practices, but most important
No, no.
is
Like I'm very lacking fluency, ma'am. I can't speak. I can't form a sentences.
the same thing I am going through. So how can I give some tips? But yes.
No, no. You are speaking very good English, ma'am.
Okay, so the reason behind these fluency because nowadays I do a lot of practice. Sorry, I do sessions with different people. I do discussion in sessions, and I talk people in frequent manner. So
Okay.
if you talk only for 15 minutes in a day, so it is not sufficient if you really
Yes, yes,
want to
ma'am.
improve your communication and improve your fluency. You have to indulge
Yeah,
more
yes,
and
yes.
more into
But
English. Yeah.
yes, yes. But I have only the Clapping is the only source for me to speak.
No, so you need to find other people as well. If you really want to use your money, like you are doing currently, you're doing Clappingo, you're taking your sessions on Clappingo. But other than that, I mean, parallelly, if you talk to other people, so it will help you immensely. Now, earlier, you know
Yes, yes, ma'am.
what I thought. I mean, what are the issues I suffered earlier. So I thought that I was doing putting so many of efforts. I was talking every day, but I didn't get that result, and I felt anxious. So then someone
Yes,
told me that what you will expect more if you do 15 minutes talking only in a day. Good result if you talk only 15 minutes in a day. You know.
okay.
So we have to indulge more and more into English. We have to find people so that we can talk more. Only talking and speaking is, I think, very important thing if you really want to
Yes, yes, ma'am.
fluent speaker. So yeah, just
Yes, yes, ma'am.
find people and talk more and
I-
more.
If I start English with my friends, they will literally laugh, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yeah, like you have any tips like we like alone we need to practice?
Okay, so I have some tips. Yeah, if you want to practice by yourself, so what I do, I just share my experience. If I talk
Okay,
about
okay,
on certain topics, so I make some sort of presentation. Like if I want to talk on environment or global
okay,
warming. Okay, so I need to learn some vocabulary, specific vocabulary related that topic. So I just
okay,
read some articles and relate myself with those articles. Then I write down all the things step by step, like introduction, main body, and all the points and
okay.
conclusion. Okay, so this is how your mindset uh, will work if you do practice on certain
Okay,
topics. Okay, then you try
okay,
to
okay,
explore your thought. uh, I mean, your thought as well. thought process, you know.
Thinking.
Getting knowledge is different thing. You can learn things from article, you know, you can get knowledge
Yes.
from article, but after
Yes.
having knowledge, you have to work with your thought process, that what is your opinion on that topic, what you take that things in your own way, then
Okay.
talk your thought, your own feelings, your own expressions. So if you ask
Okay.
me, I can talk easily my own things, I mean my which
Okay.
I
Yes.
feel, you know.
Yes. Yes.
And having said that, you need to learn some vocabularies as well and phrase as well related that topic, because every topic has a different have a
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
different vocabularies, different phrase as
Yes.
well. So this is how we
Yes.
improve ourselves. We can talk on any topic, and this is
Yes.
communication skill, right? If
Yes. Yes.
someone
Yes,
come
ma'am.
in front of us and tell that you need to talk about that,
Yes.
so we should be capable that we can talk on any topic, whatever the knowledge we have.
Yes.
Yeah. So this
Correct.
is
Yes,
how
ma'am.
you can learn things and you can improve. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay. So
definitely I will do, ma'am.
so okay, I don't know. I am doing these sort of things. It will work for you or not. But please try and let me know.
No, no, ma'am. Definitely it worked, ma'am.
Yeah. Any other thing you want to ask? You want to say?
Yeah, yes, ma'am. These are the things I need to ask. Like from first day, I'm seeing your videos. Like you improved it drastically. You improved your English. So I need to ask, like, what are the steps you have taken to improve your English and to improve your fluency?
Yeah. Only I talk
Yeah,
own.
from first day, I'm seeing like, yeah, I'm understanding. Like talking is the only source. Like you can gain your
Yes,
fluency.
yes. Talking and intentionally using vocabularies, intentionally using verbs or phrases, because
Yes,
you
yes,
know
ma'am.
we know
Yes,
how to express. We know very well how to express limited words. But if you want to improve your knowledge of English, so you have to add new vocabularies as well. You know, like we are using every
yes,
time
yes,
but, but, but we can use instead of but though, although, but we don't use because we are not
okay,
habitual, right? So
yes,
we have to
yes,
make habitual intentionally us, you know, that
okay.
कि मेरे को आज ये बोलना ही है. Do you know Hindi?
No, I don't know Hindi. My mother tongue
Okay.
is Telugu.
You don't know?
I don't know. Toda
Yeah.
toda.
Yeah. So use vocabularies intentionally, that if you will have some conversation, so just prepare yourself before that conversation that these are new words and
Okay.
I'll going to use these vocabularies in my session.
Yes, yes, yes,
Okay.
yes,
So this is how
yes,
you will improve. All right.
yes, yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. So now I need to wrap up the session. It is lovely chatting with you, and keep learning. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving me this opportunity.
No worry. You're welcome. Okay. Bye bye.
See you, ma'am. Thank you.